Hello everyone, my name is Adil Al-Marzouki. This presentation was prepared as part of the HAP 725 course taught by Dr. Alaimi at George Mason University, Department of Health Administration and Policy. So we will be doing question number 4. This question is not due for the homework assignment, but hopefully it will be useful in the final exam. The question asks us to use the procedure described for the outcomes in synthetic cases to estimate the number of days till mortality for 80-year residents with walking and toileting disabilities, but no other disabilities. Note that we want to rely on at least 30 cases in making this estimate. In the database, there are not 30 cases with these two disabilities and 80 years of age. Therefore, we would like you to estimate the survival days using synthetic case outcomes. Our data is CSV text file data. After downloading it, we go to the database that we want and right-click, go to Task, and import data, opening the import data wizard, or you can go directly to import flat file, whatever you work with. After that, so the import data wizard will open up. Click next. After that, we choose the data source, which is a flat file source. Don't forget to uncheck the header field since our data doesn't have a header. After that, go to next. Then after that, you go to the data destination, which is the native client. Then click next. Here you can change the data file name. I kept the same file name, which is assessment. Then click next. Then your data will be imported into SQL. You can see that there is 1,306,212 rows. After that, you click close and you will start coding. So just to review the question again, we need to find the estimate of people over 80 years old and unable to walk and toileting, only those who will probably be dead after 6 months. So first, we need to find the estimate of people over 80 years old and unable to walk who will be dead probably after 6 months. Then we need to find the other estimate of people over 80 years old and unable to toileting who will be probably dead after 6 months. After we find those two estimates, we need to multiply them together to find our final estimate, which the question wants us to do. So the query will be like this. First, we need to use the cast command to change our data type. After that, we need to assign our data to number and insert it onto temporary file and find the estimate of the people over 80 years old and unable to walk who will probably be dead after 6 months. We can see that the first estimate is around 13%. Then we need to do the same for the second part of the question and find the other estimate. As you can see, we found that the estimate for people who are unable to toileting and 80 years old who will probably be dead after 6 months is around 14%. Then, after multiplying the two estimates together, we can find our final estimate, which is for people who are over 80 years old and unable to walk or toileting, and we can see that the final estimate is around 1.9%. So, if you have any further question, please email me for further clarification. And thank you for listening to this Teach One assignment. And good luck in your final exam. Thank you.